Alright, new project on the channel. I'm gonna be fixing up this old Toro lawnmower. Well, it's not old, it's actually really new, but it's broken. So this gas in here has turned yellow, so that's a sign that it's old. And it also smells older than my grandma. So I already got permission. I'm just gonna go drain it back there in the sand, right behind the shop. But I also found out I cannot push this thing for the life of me. And I wish I had... Oh, hi, Heidi. This is my dog, Heidi. She's so cute. Yeah, I gotta figure out how to do this. The problem, I cannot get this thing to move, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take off the gas tank. Is it just really just the zip tie that's holding it on? Because I'm not trying to cut the zip tie. Oh, okay, I could just take these 4 bolts out, and then I gotta undo this fuel hose here. I'll just... Wait, that's not the fuel hose, that's a... Wait, what is that? Oh, that goes to the intake. Okay. Okay, that fuel hose is about to snap. Oh, yeah. Okay. New problem. Fuel hose does not want to come out. Well, not fuel hose, but, it's like a pressure thingy. Also, this thing has, like, this solenoid down here. Or whatever this is. And I can't figure out what it does. I think it might be like a fuel pump or something. I don't know. That's the oil filter. I didn't even know this thing had an oil filter. Surprising. Heidi, what are you doing? Okay, here, I'll just take this whole clip out. Well, it's very difficult to do while holding a phone. Wish I could use my GoPro, but I don't have any computer to put a micro USB, or not micro USB, yeah, micro SD into. Okay, that's not gonna work either. This is great. So I don't know how I'm supposed to go about doing this, because I can't disconnect these lines. They're all so old, they're about to snap. How's this air filter look? I might as well check out the air filter. It looks brand new. Okay. There we go. Okay. Oh, that's off the bead. I just realized that, bro. This is gonna be way more difficult than I thought it was gonna be. Alright, so I'm gonna have to ask if I could use one of the trucks to pull it out of there, because this is... It's just not moving. So it's definitely something with the transmission. It won't go into neutral or something because, or the transaxle, I mean. Because if I lift up this front and I push it, it doesn't let it go backwards. Like, it physically cannot because of the differential. Or because of the transaxle, I mean. So, I need to figure out how to get this thing into, like, actual neutral. See, it sucks because the clutch would make it to where it would be able to roll no matter what. But these are also brakes, so it's not going to work. I really don't have much of a solution for my problem. I could, like... You know what? I think we have dollies that I could put under the tires. It's driving me nuts, dude. Oh, I see him. Oh, I see one. Oh, the other. Yeah, there's one right there. There's one dolly. Yeah, I don't know how these are gonna do in the sand, but we'll see. Put this first one on. Alright, I got it on there. Now I gotta see if I can push it. Oh my gosh, of course our tires are turned again. Oh. Looks like they've been patched before. Didn't even bother to cut off that extra bit. Oh! Okay, that's not going anywhere. Oh, this freaking build is so annoying, dude. Okay. I think I'm just gonna have to take some container and put it under the mower. And just put the fuel line there, so. I'll grab like a I don't know what I'm gonna grab, I'll figure it out though. Oh, a bucket with stuff in it, and I'm not gonna pour it out. This will work. It's gonna have to work. And we'll grab a pair of vice grips. Just a small pair. Oh my gosh, bro. I didn't even know they made vice grips that small. It'll work. And some pliers. Channel locks. There we go. Oh, this might be too big. I hope it's not. Get under there. Okay, it might be too big. This is a problem. Well, yeah, it's too big. Curse you, mowing deck. I gotta get this mowing deck off. Honestly, that's gonna be like so much weight reduction. Alright, that's probably already good thickness to clamp at. There we go, clamp that to plug it. Take this hose, and okay. I'm gonna need to take off this intake manifold. Yeah, intake manifold's going. It looks like a 10 mil. So, I'm gonna I'm gonna go ahead and grab a... Should I use an impact for this? This would be so much simpler if I just use an impact. Do we have any M12 stuff in here? Something smaller, you know, simpler? No, just M18 right now. Guess we didn't unpack our M12 stuff yet. Okay. I don't know why that has all that on it. Let me just get that off real quick. Set that right there, just so it doesn't go anywhere. And batteries. Man. What is this battery? 3, okay, I guess. Piece of hair. Piece of hair on it, there we go. Okay, sockets. Adapters. Oh my gosh, dude, this is such a pain. Why did I think that would be big enough? This one's the right size, but it's not even an adapter. Wait, yeah. Oh, I need adapters, bro, come on. I know we have them. Oh, you know what? I'm stupid. Why don't I just... Stupid thing back on. Put that back. And go to the box where we have our M12 stuff. There we go. M12 impact. What's that? Full charge. Let's go. Okay. Now I can just grab a... Oh my gosh. Why is this stuff up here? This is definitely not supposed to be up here. This is supposed to be right here. It's a little cluttered since we kind of just moved across the country, like I said. Oh wait, it's gonna be in this drawer. There it is. What's this one? There it is. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Okay. Just had to make sure it was all the way. Sometimes it doesn't click on all the way. Sure. Oh my gosh, it's not small enough. I'm retarded. Oh wait. Just grab the bigger one. Oh, hi Heidi. Look who's decided to show up. I'm sorry, Heidi. It's okay. Look. Okay. Right. Oh. Dang it, bro. It's fine. Here, let me grab the, oh. Sorry. We have those little U-joint things. There we go. Excuse me. Okay. Got it. Get that into there. I got it. There we go. Oh, wait. Here, just, sorry. Just had to put you on the mower real quick. There you go. How'd that? Never mind, I'm not gonna say that. I do not want to lose parts. Oh my gosh, I didn't fully unthread it. Okay, now it's fully unthreaded. Stop! Okay, I got it. Come here. Come here. Got it. Wow. What is holding? Oh my gosh, I gotta take off the whole thing. Ain't no way, bro. Okay, whatever. I guess I'm just gonna... Stop! I don't want to drop this stuff into the sand. I wish this thing was in the shop. It'd be a lot easier. Stop! Come back! Okay, I'm not trying to lose pieces to this thing. I gotta set this up somewhere to make this easier. Okay. Worst camera angle ever, but it's the best I got. Gosh, I really wish I had the smaller stuff right now. It'd be so much easier. Should have just grabbed one of the adapters. There we go. Please. Ow, my finger! Okay, it's out. Go in there with the channel locks and stuff. Okay, no, I'm not gonna be able to grab those. Oh my gosh! Why are there so many? That's not gonna work. Why would that work? I'm retarded. Okay. Gotta go grab a 10mm wrench. Ow! Oh, my ankle! Ow! Alright, 10mm. Am I not filming in 4K right now? Or this is not 60 frames. Okay, never mind, it is 60 frames. I just checked. 10mm. Yeah, the ratcheting ones. What am I doing? Fancy 10mm. Okay, I'm gonna have to use this side. Oh, this sucks. Oh, I should have taken this one off before I took all the other ones off. I'm not gonna be able to do it with my hand, that's too much still. Oh, never mind, that's loose enough. That not like welded? Okay, yeah, it is, good. Someone's out here. Probably Kit. Alright, here we go. Got the... What else is holding this thing on? Ain't no way I'm getting in there. Oh, okay. That's not as bad as I thought it was. Here. Gotta use the cameras again. Never mind. Dog. How secure does this have to be? Okay, I'm just taking this off. I thought I lost that. I thought that was flying away for a second. Okay. There we go. Dude, these freaking new iPhones are so nice, dude. I'm filming in 4K, 60 frames a second. This is wild. Oh my gosh. This stupid thing off. These things are useless, honestly. I might just keep. Actually, no. That's like a. It's like a dust cover. Boop. Okay, it's like a dust cover, and. Oh, look at that! That is so bad, bro. Well, I could get that bolt out. Okay. Just gonna fling you away. Come here. Yeah, got it. Oh, I got it. Oh, I'm sorry. I gave you guys like literally the worst camera angle. Oh my gosh, my finger's in the frame. Wow, I'm the worst filmer in the world. What else is connected? Oh, okay, it's auto cable. That makes sense. It's auto cable. I'm sorry, sir, but you need to. What is this? What is this thing? I don't even know what this does. Is that for the choke? Oh, that's for the choke. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. Can I get that stupid bolts out of there, though? Because I'm not trying to lose bolts. Ah! Okay. There we go. All these bolts are the same size, so it's nice that I don't have to keep them all organized. Okay, there's another part I have to take off. How do I even get this thing off? Okay, camera. Show me how. Okay, so it's literally just this stupid plastic thing that's holding it in. Maybe some channel locks will fix it. Here, is that a good angle? No, it's a terrible angle. Okay, I really have nowhere to set down the phone, so I'll just update you guys. And call for Heidi. All that work just to do this. Oh, it's gonna put gas on me. I really don't want to get gas on me or on my phone. Oh my gosh, I just covered the camera again. I suck at this. Ugh. Okay, I'll put you down for a second. I got it off! And the train's going by, so it's really loud right now. Sorry about that. I got it off and now I'm draining the fuel. It's gonna take a couple decades, so I'm probably gonna just be... Look how yellow that is! Oh. It's holding itself up. That's good. Look how... Okay, I'm not gonna trust that though, actually. Look how yellow that is. It's green. Oh, hey. Hi. Okay, so that's probably bad. That does not smell like good gasoline. It smells like cheeks, bro. Wow, why is it green? This is bad gas, dude. Oh my gosh. This is taking forever, dude. Hurry up. Whew. I'm starting to go in my face. I don't like that. Yeah, I gotta stay away from it. Ah! I'm gonna fall into that freaking piece of scrap or sheet metal. Cut my arm open. Oh my gosh, hurry up. Oh, you know what? It's wedged under the oil filter. Okay, I can trust that. Oh my... Okay, So, how's your guys' days going? Or day? So entertaining right now, dude. I swear I'm the best YouTuber in the world right now. Top of the line content. It's almost done. It's almost done. Nice. Really gotta flush that out of there though, cause it's all on once. I love this so much. This is so much fun. I'm gonna inspect other parts of this mower while I wait. Standard starting mechanism. Very... See how basically every mower. It's a 159cc, I think, right? Something like that. 139. I don't know what this is for. Looks like some sort of heat sink thing. Oh, so it's no, because this is powering the starter. I don't know what this is. That might have to do with the ignition. No, because the ignition coil goes straight to the spark plug. So I don't know what that is. That might be for the kill switch to turn it off. I don't know. This mower's weird. Too much extra stuff. What is that? Should I take that out? No, bad idea. That's like the oil drain plug or something, isn't it? Yeah. Honestly, it might be a good idea to do an oil change. Oh, hey, look, it's done. Still a bit of gas in there. All right, you know what? I'm just gonna... Okay, I'm gonna go dump this real quick. Okay, I threw it out and it looked like pee. But, yeah, it's kind of gross. But here, I'll let this sit out in the sun, so the gas will dry off of it. But, honestly... Oh, here, you know what? I'm gonna put all these in my pocket, so I don't... My pocket's a very dangerous place, actually. Oh, the wrench! It's fine. Just a little bit of gas on it. Okay, I gotta put these tools in a secure place. Here, I'll put everything in my pocket so I could just dump out. So I can just tilt the mower. Alright, there we go. Got all the small runawayable pieces. Put the tools on that mat right there, even though it's not really much better than just sitting in the sand. Wow, it sucks out here, dude. Honestly, the sand is horrible. It's too much. Put those up there. There we go. And, I gotta lift this thing up. Alright, I tilted it over and I got the rest of that old gas out of there. I gotta reverse everything that I did. Bless me. I'll set you guys back here. Best camera angle you're gonna get. I know. #1 filmer in the world. Okay. I know you guys can't really see what's going on right now, but I'm just putting that stupid little tiny spring that you get on these motors. If you think about it, honestly, like, if you look at what these springs are like, where they're placed, they don't do anything. Like, how does this make sense that it does something? Because you got that solid cable right next to it, you know? So, I don't know. I'll show you guys in a second once I hook all these stupid little springs and stuff back up. I mean, I guess it does, like, I guess it could, like, pull, I guess it pulls tension on it, technically, but not really. Okay. You guys don't know what's going on. Wow, this is, like, the most, I might just take this out of the video, honestly. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the video since, you know, I'm a small content creator. I'm not trying to, like, I'm not big enough to be able to bore my viewers for a minute just to torture them, you know? Okay. Now I gotta put all these stupid hoses back on. The fuel hose. Where's the thing? There it is. Okay. You go on the thing. Come on. Ugh, I got it. Oh, why did I put all the tools back over there? Can I do this by hand? Oh yeah, I could just move this clip by hand. Nope, no I can't. Never mind. Oh my gosh, my phone tilted. Alright, let's go grab the channel locks. Or, yeah, channel locks. Okay. Okay, how do I film this? I don't know how I'm supposed to film this, dude. Here, put you right there. Oh, it's perfect. Using the clutch as a stand, or the brake, or whatever you want to consider it to be. Right. Oh yeah, I got a view. There we go. Perfect. No! There's sand on my phone now. I'm gonna leave that in just because I want you guys to hear that sound. I'm not gonna leave that in because I'm not gonna show you guys my face. Alrighty. No, the freaking throttle thing. I don't even know. It's like it's not like a cable. So I wouldn't call it that, but okay, now it's time to put all these stupid little thingies back on. Oh yeah. Clip this thing back on to the choke lever. I think this is so like when you start it. Why is that aiming at my crotch? So when you start it, it like automatically does the choke. So it's actually really useful. Actually not mad about that. I'll take all the little screws and bolts and stuff. Or all the nuts and bolts out of my pocket. The impact's all the way over here. I'm not gonna. Hi, you can see my face right now. There we go. I'm not putting it in tight. I'm just. No! Sand. I can smell the gas. Oh, come on. Okay. Are any of these shorter? No. Okay, they're all the same size. Oh, there it is. And then I'm gonna put this one in next. There. So now it's not going to move out of its space. You know, I could just tighten that with that one. There. just one ugga-dugga. Honestly, I shouldn't have tightened that down until I put the other side on, but honestly, it's not that big of a deal. It's a freaking lawnmower. It's not a freaking race car. Can I take this intake manifold off? Like, separately? I mean, I can't. No, I can't. Oh, there we go. Ah, it's not long enough. Hold on. Let me get a long 10 mil real quick. Oh, never mind. I got this thingy. I'll make it long enough. Ah, don't move. Stay there, please. I got you to stay still. Stupid clutch isn't being useful. Not a single part of this mower is useful. It's not even good for a phone stand. Can do it. There we go. Now I could tighten that down. Give it more ugga-duggas. Yeah. It's enough ugga-duggas. No. Am I ready to get the short one? Yeah. Alrighty, now I can put all these other stupid little bolts in. Oh, never mind. What should I put in first? I'll put this one in. Hello. Oh my gosh. Wow. All you guys were. How'd the clutch look for that, like, 10 minutes that you guys were just staring at it? Okay, yeah, tighten so it got to go to the right. Yeah, I got it. There we go. I think that's all my. Oh, there's 2 nuts here. That's not a good sign. Oh, it's these ones. Oh, that's actually bad that I left that gap there, because now that might leak air into. Nah, it's fine. Oh yeah, I tightened it enough to where it's gonna reseal it. I should have like taken that off and just like completely cleaned out the whole thing. Honestly, I shouldn't even be. I should have just taken off the carburetor and cleaned it. Oh my gosh, this mower sucks at anything and everything. Will you stay in the thingy, please? Stop! Oh, I can see my breath. I didn't even realize that. Oh, just a little bit though. Oh wow, it's not that cold. It's like 30. No, I'm just kidding. You don't even know where I moved to. Alright, so as you can see, I moved the mower a little bit. I'm sorry guys, but my phone died on that last, right before this section. But it's getting kind of dark, so I can't really do much more. But all I did was, I'm tired, I ran all the way up here. But I just took off the carburetor, and I opened up the bowl, and the float valve was so corroded, it was stuck on itself. And I had to use channel locks to pull that valve out. Why did I run here? And my phone's about to die, so I gotta hurry up. But, and then after I did that, I gotta think. I cleaned it all out with brake cleaner. And that's about all I did. The float valve was restricting it from taking fuel, so that's why it wasn't starting. And also that old gas, that was also it. But, yeah. I got it to run. All I did was pull it up around out this way just to test it out a little bit. But it runs extremely smooth, super nice, and if you guys couldn't tell, this is going to be a racing lawnmower. So I'm gonna drop this deck out tomorrow. I'll film more tomorrow, but yeah, I'm gonna drop the deck out, and I'm gonna use air compressor to fill up the tires. And right now I'm gonna take off the battery and put it on the charger. But thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.